Now, what if I told you that breakthrough might be hiding in plain sight, and it's disguised as something as simple as a quiz? Now, let's be honest here. I'm not talking about just any quizzes. We're not referring to those which Harry Potter character are you or which Disney princess are you type of quizzes. No, while those are fun, they serve a completely different purpose. We're diving into quizzes designed to engage, designed to educate, and most importantly, designed to convert your audience into leads. And nobody, my friends, does this better than Tia Goodwin.
Well, I created this quiz first as a paper-based document.
Okay.
And I was coaching at the time. And this was a time when everybody was telling everybody to become a coach, right? If you want to be an online, become a coach. And most of my clients were like, they were trying to become coaches, but they actually were hating it. And so I created a quiz called "What Type of Entrepreneur Are You?" And it was, I used the term bankable brilliance. Okay. And so find your bankable brilliance archetype. Like, who are you? And it helped my clients give themselves permission to not coach, right? Because they're not really coaches. Some people want to be behind the scenes. Mm-hmm. Some people want to be trailblazers. They want to be on stage, and so it gave them the breakdown. So, but at the time, Tracy, here's what's interesting. The book was doing phenomenal things for my clients, but I didn't know how to market myself, right? Because I was using it after the fact. And so I went back to a day job. Right. I got tired of it. I was Facebook rich and profit poor for like 5 years because people loved me on Facebook, but they weren't buying my stuff. And so I ended up going into a day job. But when I left that day job about 2.5 years after being there, I knew that I needed a list of people to sell to. And so I took that quiz that I had, and I had an old list from 2.5 years ago. I had about 2,500 people on it.
That's a good list.
And I sent those people an email saying, hey, I got this quiz.
I took a simple concept, a quiz, and turned it into a lead generation powerhouse. But it doesn't stop there, right? With the right strategy, this approach not only re-engaged her existing audience, but also opened the floodgates to new leads eager to learn more about what they uniquely needed as entrepreneurs. I think really the beauty of quizzes lies in their dual power. Their dual power of engagement and personalization. They invite your audience to interact with your content, making the experience all about them, all about their needs, all about their challenges and their aspirations. And this isn't just about marketing. It's about having a conversation, a two-way conversation. And in today's digital age, having a meaningful conversation with your audience is pure gold. Now, as Ty so brilliantly showcased earlier, quizzes are more than just a tool for engagement. They're a mirror reflecting the diverse needs and personalities of your audience, of your prospects, allowing you to tailor your offerings and tailor your messages precisely to zero right in there and get in there and get inside their heads and find out what it is they need and how you can help them. If you haven't considered quizzes as part of your lead generation strategy, I think now might be the time to start thinking outside the conventional marketing box. You see, because the magic of Ty's approach doesn't end with just creating the quiz. It's about how she harnessed the insights gained from these quizzes to drive her marketing strategies forward. It's about listening. Remember, we talk about this all the time. It's not failure, it's feedback. And when you get that feedback, you use that feedback to benefit your audience.